Mm-hmm. Boneless wings. No, I did not cook. Here, this wings. Boneless wings. Parmesan chocolate. The Parmesan garlic. Ew, Parmesan chocolate sounds gross. Hey, love can hurt you. No way, Thomas. It's a waste of food. All this money for 3 bites is crazy. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. That's what I responded to. It's a waste of money with 3 bites. You eat too fast. You're too big back. Hey, April. I did a video for this too before I ate it. I did a video. This is way better than Popeyes. Popeyes is good too. Don't play on them. It's a good chicken sandwich. Definitely pretty good. What's up, Scree? Where you been at? How's the movie? Trying meat isn't good. I recommend eating vegan or vegetarian much better than just meat diet. Okay. Did that already. I gotta get Wingstop. It's very good. Eating lobster and shrimp pasta. Look at you, richness. Super rich. Very wealthy. Girls grab me. Yeah, Wingstop is hidden. Much better than Popeyes, for sure. Oh, you did, Ash? What did you have? There, Marius. This is everything right here. Mexican street farm fries. I almost got cheesy fries, but I'm like, no, I'm okay. I wanted tenders instead. For the price. Mm-hmm. The fries are fire. You don't like cheesy fries? Go ahead and order you some. Love can hurt you. Order you some fries. You can look at mine, but you can't have none. Just look. Ah, too much cooking. I did well done fries. It's really good. Only like wing flats? That's more expensive. Thank you, Screwy, for the heart name. Screwy, are you commenting? I don't see any more comments from you, Screwy. Did I miss something? Bro, you need me to survive. Oh, okay. So you need me to survive. All right. Oh, the movie was all right. Okay. People say it's the highest grossing movie right now. #1 movie. I don't know. I never seen a commercial or anything about it. Did you get my message though? I ended up ordering a Labubu from Wool because you were taking too long, so I just ordered from him. But if I get addicted to them, I'll order from your brother too. It should be here in the next couple of days. He said he has a big one too. The king one? We got a Labubu. You got a Lafufu? No, he got Labubus. He got the real ones. That's Whoa. Whoa wouldn't do me like that. He wouldn't do me like that. He already sent me pictures of them. It's real. He wouldn't do me like that. It's the real Labubu. Are you, bro? Be quiet, Kiana. Thank you to Slug Slime for her kindness. She gifted me the money for the Labubu. Thank you, Slug Slime. Welcome to the video. I gotta work really hard though this week because the other Labubu's bigger. So yeah, my brother did take too long. Yeah, what's he doing? The Labubus are demonic, so I'm staying my distance. I know. What's up, 5-star? Thanks for sharing the live. That's right, little tax. I like the mango habanero. It's very good. The garlic parmesan is pretty good too. I just got it because people were saying that the one from here is better than Popeyes. But I haven't had this in, it's been over a year for sure. So it'll be again over a year. I just did it to do a video with you guys and eat because I'm hungry. You should try Louisiana rub. I don't know if I saw that. How much you pay? 60. 60, I can say that, 60. For the macaroon. And he's shipping it too. He didn't charge me for shipping at all. I didn't ask him for a lower price. That's just what he charges. I didn't ask for any price lower. He has the angel in the sky one, angel in the clouds, but it's 500. It's 500. That's the one I really want, but I can't. There's no way. There's just no way. That's cheaper than I saw online though. She's sort of cheaper than I saw online. I saw it for like $6.70. So, but I can't. I can't. Don't ask me how many calories this is. Do your own math. I'll do math. And I have rice and gravy and pork chop. Oh, wow. Okay, Big Back. Sounds good. Yum, yum, yum. The Momo, aka the big one at 500, 400, 500. What color is it, Screwy? I'm talking about the white one with the wings. White with silver wings and like a dragon tail. Parmesan garlic wings, yeah. Oh yeah, because that's a secret. Oh, it's a secret one? The same size as the regular one? I'll have to look it up. What color is the one you're talking about? And what is it dressed in? I'm just doing a video for the small one. I'm doing a video for the big one, and that's it. I'm done. Hopefully the video make money. Who the heck is Alex? Thank you for the follow. Miguel said you should play Fortnite when you're done. I probably will. The same size as the regular one. Yeah, sorry. That's a different one. What are y'all talking about? Labubu's.
Let's do legs first. Legs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Legs.
That's the one, Screwy. It's called Angel in the Clouds. But yeah, that's the one. 400 to 500, yeah. Mango habanero for this part, for the burger. And then for these is Parmesan garlic. They started said, bro, you're pushing 61 as a boo-boo. You obviously can't. I'm so sorry, Exali, you can't count. I'm so sorry for you. So sorry you can't count. But you're not going to discuss Screwy's brother for having a whole bunch of the boo-boos? And he's older than me? Or is he older than me? I don't know. You're not going to discuss him? You're going to try to come for me? Exali, really? Okay, 5-star. How old is he then? You're just jealous, Exala. You're just jealous. You're just mad because you look like a Labubu. That's what you look like. What's the dinner now? It's Wingstop. He's at 27. Okay, he's not that much younger than me. That's not that much younger. He's a little bit older than my ex. You can't count for Ish. Like, would you ever date Peaches? Who the heck is Peaches? You mean lovely Peaches? That's all I said, your grandpa. Your grandpa. Yes, you know she follows me on Twitter, right? You know she follows me. Yeah, Peaches makes great music. Her music is really good. How would I know that? I don't look at your Twitter. Well, no, you should know more things. You're not gonna have her do anything. You don't even know her, Kiana. You don't even know her. Stop acting like you're that girl. You're not. Yes, that's my cousin. Watch. That's not your cousin. You be lying. Can you be lying? What happened to her daughter then? Is that your cousin? You don't know. You stay lying. Screw it, you playing Fortnite? For kids, is living with my other cousin. You lying again. You are lying. That's not true. Screw said I might. They saw it to Rock. You finna watch Squid Games on Friday. I don't watch that show. Hello, Kens. What Kens is that? Is that different Kens? I don't watch good games. Too disturbing. Not for me. I don't like playing it on Fortnite. It's too much similar to how things really are in Ina. So I don't like watching it. How are you? I'm doing good. You're a woman, right? Kittens? Yeah, it's a woman. Okay, cool. That's different kittens. There's another kittens that's really shady, so it's a different person, not you. They have the same name, but different, like it's spelled, it's like looks different. Different emojis. Hope you're doing well, kittens. Thank you for being here. I'm doing great in the court tip. I remember you. I remember you were here last time. Yeah, it's a good day. The item shop is buns today for Fortnite. To Rock, I'm finna go to a summer fest this weekend. You don't ever stay home. Does your brother have a deal for you? If they have an in or you pay for tickets? Screw said it's summer. Yeah, but dang. You just got back. Five stars. Are you gonna play Red Dead Redemption on stream? I just did. Just did. My brother gets free tickets from my job. Brother, okay, great then. I still wouldn't go. If you gave me free VIP tickets, I still wouldn't go at all. Too stressful. Too many people at that kind of Summerfest. Finna be in Milwaukee again. Wow. How far you drive to get there? Hour and 45 minutes? Okay. Mexican street corn. To spread your grandmother's ashes. Oh my God. When did she pass away? I had this the other day. W. Terrell. Wow. That's recent. R.I.P. Thank you, Terrell, for the heart me again. W. Terrell. How far is it, Kiana? $6 for a flight or drive? Oh my god. Mm, a drive, not a flight. I'm sorry for you. You should play The Walking Dead. I'll send you money for it when I get some. Don't send me no money. Save your money, Kiana. Because it's a really good game. You need to play it. I wonder how much it is with PlayStation Plus. It's not. How much is the game? $40, okay. Hey, Bluntzilla, good to see you again. That was Mikey. It definitely was. It's $20, okay. How many are there? There's 4 different games? Oh my god. Mexican street corn seasoning. Right here, but I ate it pretty much. Mm. No, it's digital. $50 online? Oh my gosh. Screwy said he's built like a thumb. Yeah, you are Screwy, but it's okay. We still support you, Screwy. And Exotic is built like a Labubu. Exotic looks just like the Boo Boo, the same height and everything. Are we not a ranch? I can get Chick-fil-A ranch. Should I do it? Take a Chick-fil-A ranch. What do y'all think? I have this too. Hold on, let me throw this away. Here we go. Mm-hmm. Oh, you are? What you gonna order? Is Chick-fil-A ranch good? Very good. Mm-hmm. Very good ranch. No, Chick-fil-A sauce is fire. Very good kid. Very big back. There we go. It's really almost 4th of July. It really is, yep. Quick dessert too. Hold on, let me get a little dessert.
He is braided. Not perfectly, but still braided.
What?
He is braided.
Braided
I
off.
said not perfectly, but he is braided.
Why?
It's not matted. Tangled in some spots, but it's not. So let me get your baba. Because I am very much ready to join you in the second time round of a good night's sleep. I'm ready to join you. I think we should take this journey.
Rock the person you call Bigfoot gonna be a Summerfest. You know what you have to do, Screwy. You know what you gotta do. You're gonna be there. You're one of my goons, right? Are you gonna light fireworks for 4th of July or rock fireworks? Realistically, no. I don't really care about any of that. Heck no, I ain't no goon. It's literally in your name, Screwy. And you're one of my goons. And you're gonna do what I tell you for Bigfoot. So you already know what to do. You already know. I can't say it on here. Take care of the Bigfoot. Handle that. Make sure this is Bigfoot's last sighting. Your further response was super helpful and answered my question. I answered it, yeah. I don't have to light nothing up. That's how people lose their hands and fingers. Lighten something up. Yep, Connor. Full of aura. Where you going, Scooby? You better be getting your plan ready for Bigfoot. Okay, Kiana. We'll see. Ask away. What the F? What the F, Kiana? What the F, Kiana? That's my answer to that. WTF. And also side valve.
Let's go, baby.
I'm holding her ice cream with how Rose parts. It's clutching her purse in the back of that bus. She's in the front. Love you, August. She was in the front of the bus. Combat, not the back. The Blanzilla. In turn. Counter, there was no answer for you. How dare you? Period. I low-key want to skip the stream tonight and go right to sleep. Tell me why I shouldn't. Is Screwy joining? You heard a yes. I love my room cold. Thomas said, oh my bad, of course you're old enough to been through that bus to know where she was, my bad. Only thing is I have watermelon left. Maybe I just want to play some more Red Dead Redemption. It's a chill game. It's a chill game that I make chaotic. I'll be going crazy in that game. Gambino, you've been permanently banned off of Discord. You're never getting back in. You disrespected Slug's line. I don't know why you do that. That's so rude. She did nothing to you. Kiana said, yeah, keep him banned. I think so. And who is her? Exactly. That's why you're banned. That's why you're banned. Connor said no one likes him. That's true. Not even his mama. Big Bambino. Mm-hmm. But his mother loves me though. His mother does me like I did this lollipop. I mean this popsicle. That's how mom does me. That's what she does. Bambino's mom. Oh please, you know it's true. That's why they're like, Mom, where's the cereal? I'm gonna join back in like in a month. Join back where? Join back where? You're banned. Discord is. No, you're not. You're banned. We banned you. You could easily make a new alt account. I don't care. I'm gonna find a way. Why you wanna come to my Discord and be shady? I'll be. Kiana, why would you ask a question like that? Me, shady, I'll be. Yep, you're shady, I'll be. 100%. Oh, is he banned to C-Dot? Because he disrespected Celeste line. And did way more stuff too, but that was the last straw. I disrespected you once, and now you hate my guts for life. I don't hate you. You're not relevant enough for me to hate you. But you are a Diddy RB who's disrespectful AF. You told me you stopped, and then you say you didn't. Okay, and? Wow. Are you still sober, Kiana? Sandra said, I'm afraid there's not enough shade with you blocking it. Wow. Because you be talking ish too far. No, I don't. No, I don't. Can't say yes, Ashley, for 3 weeks now. Good for you, Kiana. I'm proud of you. Alright, this thing says, there's some words right here. It says, be the reason someone smiles today. Did anybody in here smile today because of me? Anybody? Anybody smile today? Connor? Oh, Connor. C. Love said yes. Oh my gosh. Kiana said my screen broke. Anybody else smiled? I'm afraid if I don't get enough smiles, then this will curse me. This popsicle will curse me. Can't be able to say, no, you ruined my life. That is perfect. This is Gambino's life. Awesome. Ah. All right. You've been cursed. You've been cursed, Gambino. That was me cursing you. Hop on Fortnite? I don't know, I'm sleepy. That would be sad if you couldn't break it. It'd be sad if I broke it and he immediately broke. Like, you're lucky I don't do witchcraft anymore. Every time I get and you sleepy, life is tiring. Angel said, yo, what's up, Angel? Fortnite's so chill right now. Yeah, I do love Fortnite. I do have watermelon to eat, so maybe I should get a Fortnite. I do want to play Red Dead Redemption, though. And if I don't play now, I'll be too tired to play. I don't know. Oh no, I gotta play Fortnite because I told Brayden that he can join me. I promised him. I'm a man of my word. I don't know if he's even here right now. Thank you for the corn, Angel. W Angel. Said play Red Dead Redemption 2. No, he has to go to sleep soon, so I need to jump on. Said, hey, if you get in for it, can I play with you? We might. It depends. You can play creative, but probably not squad. I don't know. Lo said, do you ever get bored playing Fortnite? No, never. I get sleepy, like physically sleepy, in life, because I'm fighting parasites and I'm like literally feeding them still. But whatever. I think I'm getting better overall, but I don't know, whatever. I can't think about it too much. It's hard to diet. Dieting is so hard. I didn't eat that Wingstop though. It was very good, but I'm never eating that again for another year. At least a year, maybe longer. But I did the video because y'all were telling me Wingstop's better, Wingstop's better. You never answered my question though. F your question, Kiana. L question. Why do you care about that kind of question? You probably do that yourself. Did y'all be? Women do that more than men do. Alright, y'all. I'm just gonna stay on as long as the watermelon is still there. I gotta finish my watermelon. Can you buy me a BMW? I'll buy you a bus ticket to go to Church's Chicken. Bye. Are we playing Tilted Towers today? I guess we can do that. That way I can chill, upload videos. I have so many videos to upload. I'm gonna upload my Wingstop video. Come said, did I tell you to leave? Combat. Can I play with y'all? Tilted with y'all? Who is this? Hold on. 60 persons. Oh, Velic. Are you already a friend of mine? Tilted get boring mini games. So funny. You gotta ask somebody. Velic. Oh, thank you for the follow. Where even is Brayden? I'm just gonna stay on as long as I have to eat the watermelon and I'm gonna get off. And do more push-ups to feel better about eating what I just ate. And so I said, meet me in Discord. You disrespected me in front of Slug Slime. You're wrong. Like, are you better today? If last time comes back in the Discord, I'm gonna mute you right away. Right away. So, just so you know. I respect her. How dare you? See you disrespect. No, I'm not admitting you. I'm not admitting you. Admitting you. That's solid. Nope. You're not getting unmuted. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, not doing that. You effed up. Let me join Fortnite. I don't know. It's solid. You've been very rude. Say I'm King Mercury. Don't free it, solid. Alright. Bye, you guys. I gotta go. Bye. I'll see you on Fortnite. Bye, you guys.